Hey everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you the back end of my Whop, and I've been using Whop to sell some SaaS. Um, I'm not perfect, I don't know everything, of course, but I'm building these different SaaS products. I kind of talked about this in my last few videos. I'm building different SaaS products on various different websites, various different platforms, and software development is something that I've been working on. So you can see how much I made today. Today I made $79.97 on Whop. Um, I have a total of 42 active users. I have a couple that I kind of gave like away for free. So not all 42 are paying members. But if we go over here to like last 12 months, which obviously I didn't have this for 12 months, but you can see kind of like this number goes up with time because it's still this month. This month is not over. But basically, this is our growth. You can kind of see here. So the first month we had $179. Second month, 414, and then this month 729. This is my MRR, so monthly rate of return. Hopefully, I can keep growing this. It's definitely not easy. Definitely not easy. These 72 users, just ignore that because obviously not all people are actual users. But it's tough. It's not easy. So let me show you kind of what's going on here. We click the last 3 months because I haven't had this account for even more than 3 months. You can see here I started technically, if you want to pick the right date, March 19th, maybe? Or no, excuse me, June. June 19th? June. So that was the very first day, and then the next day, that day made $89, and so on and so forth. So hopefully I can keep growing this thing. I'm not. SaaS for me is something that I enjoy building. There's so many use cases. It's just the marketing is kind of the slow part right now for this. I'm just trying different things. Maybe some of you guys have seen some of my dashboards where I made 80K, 90K on a sales product, a SaaS product, excuse me. And, I'm just trying my best here. This is a little video of me putting out some results. I can't really say too much advice. I don't really know. I'm still on my journey. For me, SaaS is what set me financially free, at least partly what set me financially free. This is, like I said, something new. I've generated multiple hundreds of thousands with SaaS. And yeah, I show different products, different things that I'm doing. I can't show the actual niche or the actual product. I don't think that would make sense. But if I can answer some people's questions, if I can show different things that I'm going through, then maybe I can kind of prove some stuff. Or not prove some stuff, because I feel like the proof is here. I feel like I don't really have to explain myself with proof. But with Whop specifically, because I find that it's like a members area, it's a little different to convert than a regular SaaS product. Do I think I'm going to keep doing Whop in the future? I'm going to keep it running. I have members here, so I'm not going to stop. But I intend on creating some SaaS products in the future that are purely just website, the same way I used to. You can see here we have 1,700 paid, failed payments, canceled payments. These are pretty much the same, I think. I don't know. Maybe they're not. I really am not sure, to be honest. Refunded and past due 0 and pending 0. So, I really, Whop is not something that I'm completely good at yet. I think my rank on Whop is like rank 400 something. I'm not sure, but I'm trying my best. So this is not something where I'm giving people's advice. This is just purely a progress report. Maybe a month from now, I'll kind of show what my numbers are then, and maybe I'll have some advice for people. But as of now, nobody asked me any questions on this, and I have no answers to give because nobody asked me anything. But hopefully this video is just showing what I'm up to, documenting. I really don't know where this channel is going to go. I have really no clue, but I'll put it out there. All right. I'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Bye.